Hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ariela, and in today's video I'm gonna review this Naughty Nude palette from Huda Beauty. I'm gonna do two makeup looks with this palette. On this side I'm gonna use this shade right here. It's called Untamed. I'm gonna use this shade right here. You can see it's a nice and rich burgundy shade, and this shade I'm gonna apply right into my crease. The pigmentation is really nice. I really like it, and as you can see I have zero fallout. Okay, now let's go inside this shade right here. It's called Filthy, with a clean blending brush, and then I'm just gonna slightly blend out my edges. Let me guys zoom you in so you can see better. I like the pigmentation. The blending of the shades is amazing. No fallout, literally almost zero kickback in the pan, and when I'm blending my shade the pigmentation stays there. Now I'm gonna go inside the shade Shameless, this pigment right here. Now I'm gonna draw an eyeliner. I'm gonna use my YSL eyeliner. This is the Shocking eyeliner. Now inside my inner corner I'm gonna apply this shade right here. It's called Tantric. It's a nice shimmery gold shade, and I'm gonna apply it to my inner corner, and my brush is dry. And as you can see I can easily pack it on. I'm packing it on with a dry brush. Let me wet my brush with the MAC Fix Plus to see how the pigment will act. Now I'm gonna take a small pencil brush, and then I'm gonna go inside the shade Untamed. This is the shade we use in our crease, and apply it to my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna blend the shade out with the shade called Filthy. And this makeup look is almost done. I only gonna apply my mascara. I'm using the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes. First I'm gonna use the volume side, and then I'm gonna use the length and curl. And now the other side of the mascara. I really like this mascara. I was previously using the Chanel one. This is the Le Volume Revolution. I still love this mascara, but this mascara makes my lashes look like bomb. I even don't need false lashes with it. When I will go out, I will just leave it like that. But for the video, I'm gonna apply my false lashes. I'm gonna use the cement lashes from Huda Beauty. I'll be right back. So my lashes are on, and this is the finished look for this eye. Now let's do this eye right here. I'm gonna do a more or less neutral one, but with a glitter eyeliner. Now I'm gonna use the neutral shades. Now I'm gonna go inside the shade Naughty. It is this shade right here. It's a nice Swiss chocolate brown, and this shade I'm gonna pack inside my crease. I like this shade, the pigmentation is awesome. I still have no fallouts, none to zero kickback in the pan. Now I'm gonna go inside the shade Rough. It is this shade right here. And then with the same brush, I'm gonna blend out my crease. So also here pigment stays, no fallout. It blends really smooth. I don't need to apply a lot of pressure. Those shades melt together like butter. On my eyelid, I'm gonna use the shade Hypnotic. It's a nice and soft nude shade. It's almost invisible. It's like a skin shade, kind of. This shade right here. Those shades feel like butter or satin. I don't know, they're like super smooth. They blend into each other really nicely. I have zero fallout. It really makes fun to work with eyeshadow like those. Then I'm gonna move on to my lower lash line. I'm gonna go inside the shade Naughty. And apply it to my lower lash line, and then with the shade Hypnotic, I'm just gonna blend it out so I don't have such a harsh line. Then on top of my eyelid, I'm gonna use the shade Flower Power, and then I'm gonna pack it onto my eyelid, to the center of my eyelid. I love this pigment. No fallout, pigmentation is amazing. I'm just gonna slightly line my eye with the eyeliner, but I won't draw a wing. And then I'm gonna grab my gold eyeliner. This one is from Urban Decay. This is the heavy metal one, and I'm gonna draw myself with this an eyeliner. Alright, my glitter eyeliner is on. I just draw here a wing and then went inside the crease with the gold, and then inside here the inner corner. So let me apply my mascara and my lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright, my lashes are on. I also put on my lipstick. As my lip liner, I used the Charlotte Tilbury lip cheat lip liner in the shade Very Naughty, and on top of it I applied the Huda Beauty Demi Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Bossy. So those are the two makeup looks I did with the Naughty Nude palette from Huda Beauty. I must say I really love this palette. The eyeshadows melt like butter, the textures are super creamy, there are no fallouts, almost none kickback in the pan, and the shades look absolutely amazing. Pigments are incredible soft, they're literally like butter, and there's some new formulas. I think they're really beautiful shades and textures. Like this one, they look like marble, and this is the shade Slippery. As you can see, it has some small pearls in it, and when you swirl it around in the pan, it mixes it together, like the pearls mix together. So now let's do some swatches. I'm gonna swatch the first line. Those are the first 6 shades. I really like the texture. Then the second row, it starts with Untamed, then Irresistible, Flower Power, and I'm really just slightly touching the pen. The pigmentation is insane. Then there's a shade Roof, then comes Spicy and Aruse. This is our second row. Then there comes the shade Slippery from the third row. It's a nice and glossy shade. You can put it on top of your lid. Then there comes Tantric. Then comes Naughty, Provocative, Desire, and Juicy. And these are the other 6 shades. I hope you guys like this video and the review for the Huda Beauty Naughty Nude palette. I love this palette. The shades are amazing. The pigmentation is awesome. There's no fallout, no kickback in the pan, and they blend like butter. You can blend them together really smoothly. They don't fade out, and your eyeshadow looks amazing. That's it guys for this video. If you like this video, let me know in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I see you guys in the next video.